In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Tidio bot with Instagram so you can manage Instagram messages directly from your Tidio dashboard and automate replies with ease. Start by logging into your Tidio dashboard. Once you're inside, head to Settings, then click on Channels. This section shows all the platforms you can connect with Tidio. Look for Instagram in the list and click Connect Instagram or Integrate Instagram. A pop-up will appear asking you to log in via Facebook. This step is required because Instagram business messaging runs through Facebook. Log in using the Facebook account that manages your Instagram business profile. After logging in, you'll see a list of Instagram business accounts. Select the correct Instagram account and make sure it's linked to the right Facebook page. This is important to avoid connection issues later. Next, you'll be asked to grant permissions. Allow access to messages, mentions, and story replies. These permissions enable Tidio to receive and reply to Instagram DMs properly. Once everything is approved, save your settings. That's it. Your Tidio bot is now connected to Instagram. From now on, Instagram messages, mentions, and story replies will appear directly in your Tidio inbox. You can also create automated flows to reply instantly to customers and followers. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick guides to simplify your workflow.